Hi, this is Scoggett, and today what I'm going to be making is dirty shrimp in Lone Star butter beer sauce. I'm going to serve this over rice, and it's going to just come out delicious. I want to give a big shout out and thank you to one of my co-workers, Gabriella, for giving me this recipe. She gave me this recipe, and I'm making it. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'll show you what you're going to need. Of course, you're going to need 2 pounds of shrimp, peeled and deveined. Going to need that. Going to need 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And I put a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne because I don't like it real hot. I can't do the hot because my acid reflux, so that's the way I'm going to do it. 1 teaspoon of thyme leaves, or dried thyme. 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves, or dried oregano. 1 teaspoon of basil leaves, or dried basil. 2 teaspoons of garlic, minced, and didn't have any garlic on hand, so I'm just using this. It'll work. 4 tablespoons of butter. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm omitting this because this really messed with my acid reflux, but put in as much as you want, however hot you like it. And the star of the show, I'm going to use 1/2 cup of Lone Star beer. So go ahead and get started, and I'm going to show you how all this comes about here. Put some of my stuff up real quick, get it out of my way. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to saute this up and get the butter going. And what I've done is I went ahead and put all my dry ingredients and my garlic in this dish, in this little dish here, and we're going to be adding this to the mixture. So I'm going to go ahead and saute this up, melt this butter a little bit. Get the heat going. Then I'm going to add my my ingredients there. Real simple to do. It's not hard. Hopefully this get hot. But we're going to be cooking our shrimp in this sauce, and I'll tell you what, this sauce is going to be great. Let's go ahead and melt this butter up. Using Mrs. Scoggett's stoneware frying pan. Don't know where she got this. I'm going to go ahead and add this to it. And what we're going to do is cook this up until the garlic kind of browns. Then we're going to add our shrimp to it. Oh, I smell that garlic right now. You got to stir this constantly because you don't want it to burn. This is really quick. Going to go ahead and add my shrimp now. We're just going to saute this up. You want to keep this shrimp going, because you don't want it to burn, and you want to get all these, all this butter and herbs all worked in there. Man, that smells great. Just want to cook this up until it's done, until these shrimp get done. Like I say, I used a small shrimp. You can use any size you like. And this is just from the bag, what I bought at the Walmart. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what, this smells great. And the thing about this is it cooks up quick. I mean, it's don't take that long. That's what's the beauty of it. And tell you, I can smell all them herbs, I mean, and the butter, and it's all, it just smells delicious. Make sure all these shrimp are cooked up. Oh, and that butter sauce, oh man, tell you what, it smells great. And you want to cook this at high heat. Saute is at usually at a high to a medium high. Oh yeah. Now what I'm going to do is add the star of the show right here, my Lone Star beer. We're just going to let this cook up for about a minute. After a minute, it's going to be ready. Oh man, that... Okay, that's about a minute there. So we're going to take it off the heat here, if I can find a place for it. right here for right now. Man, that really smells good. Now I got some rice what I cooked up in my cooker. See if I can adjust this where it's a little better view. Yeah. Got my rice in my rice cooker here. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug that. This over here. Give this a stir. Can't never find no spoons when I need them. Story of my life around here. They're never where they should be. Okay, let me put some rice on here. I get my shrimp with the sauce and put it on top. Oh man. This way it come out. It smells delicious. The shrimp is cooked perfect, and with the herbs and everything. Oh, this is going to be great. Something else is you can also take French bread and sop up all this good juice here, this butter sauce. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and take a taste. Let me change this camera angle. To a better view here. Give me a spoon. And I'm going to go ahead and taste this. See how it come out. Oh man. That is delicious. The shrimp is perfect. It's got just the right amount of heat to it. And the sauce is like, oh, the sauce is fantastic. Y'all have to give this a try. This is Coggett. I'm going to get to eating, and appreciate all you viewers and subscribers. And give this a try. It's delicious. Y'all take care.